Friends. Hi friends, in today's video we will learn the basics of computer. First, we will look at the definition of a computer. So what is a computer? A computer is an electronic device that uses the information or data. It has the ability to store, retrieve and process data. You may already know that you can use a computer to type documents, send email, play games and browse the web. So we know what is a computer. Now we will look into the different parts of a computer without which we will not be able to run or use a computer. The first one is a UPS, that is uninterruptible power supply. An uninterruptible power supply, a UPS, is a device that allows a computer to keep running for at least a short time when incoming power is interrupted. So friends, take for example when you are working on your computer and there is a power cut. Now without a UPS, your computer will shut down and whatever work you are doing, you will not be able to save it. So your data is lost. But with the help of a UPS, even after a power cut, the computer remains on and gives you time to save all your data and then to shut down the computer. So this is how a UPS benefits us when we are using a computer. The next one is a CPU, that is the Central Processing Unit. A CPU or Central Processing Unit is the brain of the computer. Like a human brain, the CPU controls all the functions of the computer. The CPU's job is to listen for input data from devices like mouse or other software. Then it looks up instructions for that data and executes those instructions. So CPU or the Central Processing Unit is basically the link between you and the computer. Whatever instructions you are telling the computer to do, it goes via the CPU. Next is a monitor. A computer monitor is an electronic device that shows pictures or videos for computers. Monitors often look like smaller televisions. The main difference between a monitor and a television is that a monitor does not have a television tuner to change channels. Monitors often have higher display resolution than televisions. So monitor is basically something which you see. Suppose the instructions which you are giving to a computer, the CPU processes it and the monitor helps you to see those instructions. It is the display unit of a computer. Next is a printer. A computer printer is a piece of hardware for a computer. It allows a user to print items on paper such as letters and pictures. Mostly a printer prints under the control of a computer. Many can also work as a copying machine or with a digital camera to print directly without using a computer. For example, when you are working on your computer, suppose many of you all make projects. Okay, so when you all are downloading some images from your website and then you copy and paste it on your Word or PowerPoint, and then using the computer you give the print command. So that is when you are using the printer with a computer. But otherwise, without a computer, when you use a printer, whatever document you print, you just place it on the printer and then you press the copy or the Xerox button that is used without the help of a computer. A keyboard. A computer keyboard is an input device used to enter characters and functions into the computer system by pressing buttons or keys. It is the primary device used to enter text. A keyboard typically contains keys for individual letters, numbers, and special characters, as well as keys for specific functions. So a keyboard is basically something which is used to type either alphabets or letters or numbers, or even to give command to the computer. So whatever you are typing on the keyboard, it is displayed on the monitor. So in short, whatever you type on the keyboard or whatever commands you are typing on the keyboard, the computer does it for you. A mouse is a small handheld input device that controls a computer screen's cursor or pointer in conjunction with the way it is moved on a flat surface. Now, many of you might not understand the meaning of conjunction in this context. Like in English grammar, we use conjunction to join two sentences. So, here similarly, a mouse is used to join you with the computer. The mouse term name originates from its likeness to a small corded and elliptical shaped device that looks like a mouse tail. But nowadays, we also have many wireless mouse. So mouse is basically like the steering wheel of a car. Whichever direction you turn the steering wheel in a car, the car moves in that direction. So similarly, whichever way you move the mouse, the cursor on the computer screen moves in that direction. Speakers. A computer speaker is an output hardware device that connects to a computer to generate sound. The signal used to produce the sound that comes from a computer speaker is created by the computer's sound card. So whatever you are playing on your computer, be it a music or video or whatever, you hear that sound through the speakers. And first, we used to get external speakers. We still get external speakers which you can connect it to the computer. But nowadays, we have inbuilt speakers already present in the computer. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon to get notification of my upcoming video.